Being a trading nation, the Netherlands have a rich commercial history. Corporate risk insurance goes back centuries, and the Dutch Insurance Exchange Association, VNAB, has played a key role in it since its foundation. We'll take you through the evolution of the co-insurance market and VNAB's involvement. Along with many other commercial innovations, the co-insurance market has its origins in the major trading towns in Italy and makes its way via Spain and Portugal to our southern neighbours before emerging in the Netherlands too. In this period of flourishing trade, marine insurance was by far the most common, with the oldest policy ever recovered relating to a cargo of grain being shipped from Zealand to Italy. The cargo was insured at a premium of 16%. The first physical exchange was opened in Rotterdam in 1598, so before Amsterdam, though way smaller. About 20 years later, when Amsterdam opened its own exchange floor, the Netherlands had two major exchanges. We're taking a short trip to the UK. In the 17th century, Edward Lloyd opened a coffee house in London, laying the foundation for Lloyd's of London as we know it. While some still think the British Lloyd's is older than the Dutch exchanges, it's just the other way round. Dutchman Martin van Meerop-Kuijck was the first one to be appointed chairman of Lloyd's, nearly a century after the coffee house was opened. Over the next 40 years, Lloyd's evolved into the leader in marine insurance. In the aftermath of the Industrial Revolution, the 19th and 20th centuries see an increase in other lines of insurance business. Besides marine and fire insurance, the scope of business is expanded to hailstorm, plate glass, wedding, and credit risk insurance. During World War II, Amsterdam declared its solidarity with Rotterdam by refusing to accept business that would normally have gone to Rotterdam, to give them a chance to recover. In 1972, VNAB is founded, with the main objective to optimize the operation of both insurance exchanges, for instance, by reaching agreements on uniform procedures. Almost 15 years later, the clearing centres established in the meantime are merged and from then on operate under the same name. That's where VNAB in its present structure has its origins and has primarily focused on developing automated systems, standardising processes and reaching mutual agreements ever since. The insurance market also joins the digital revolution as computers and data systems open up a world of possibilities. The insurance market rapidly evolves into a dynamic industry with a multitude of developments and risks. Risk analysis as we know it becomes an actual product, and the broker's role is about to change radically. Market innovations contributed to a decline in the use of the insurance exchange as marketplace. And so, in 2004, after more than 400 years, financial economic reasons led to the decision that meant the physical insurance exchanges in the Netherlands ceased to exist. In 2008, VNAB introduces eABS, the first electronic insurance exchange system. A system that has continued to evolve and is currently being used by all VNAB members. Despite the ever-increasing computerization, people still feel the need to meet in real life. VNAB's knowledge and meeting centre is therefore greatly appreciated by market parties and its members. The increasing complexity of corporate insurance has turned our field into one of high-quality expertise. With VNAB, together with its partners and about 100 members, brokers and underwriters, right at the heart of it. As long as we can't look into the future, there will always be risks to be insured. In that future, VNAB will continue to play a key role by working together, improving efficiency, sharing knowledge, and facilitating meetings.